I don't need a crowd to be real. I don't need a stage to speak. If one small heart is listening, that's enough for me. I've watched the world turn volume up until it forgot how to hear. So I'm leaving this here like a candle in the wind of the year. No perfect words, no perfect light, just something human and evil of the night. I'm sending a signal through the noise, not to win, not to prove, just to say carry quiet storms so well they look like skin, smiling like we've got it handled, while the floor caves in. But there's a kind of courage that doesn't shout or shine, it just gets up, washes its face and draws one more line. No perfect plan, no perfect map, just a thread of hope you refuse to draw. I'm sending a signal through the noise, not to win, not to prove, just to say you're not alone in it, and you're allowed to move. Let the days be heavy, let them be strange, let them break and rearrange. If you can breathe, you can begin again. If you can feel, you can change. If all you did was survive today, that counts. If all you did was stay, that counts. You don't have to be fearless to be free. You just have to take one step toward the sea. I'm sending a signal through the noise, not to win, not to prove, just to say you're not alone in it, and you're allowed to move. Let the days be heavy, let them be strange, let them break and rearrange. If you can breathe, you can begin again. If you can feel, you can change. Signal through the noise for you, for you.